In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the iPhone slow performance and any lag you might be getting after updating to iOS 26. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by swiping up from the bottom and just closing all of your apps that you do have open. And then go ahead and open up settings and go immediately into general and select iPhone storage. Now iOS 26 does take 10 to 12 gigabytes to run, so make sure that you do have space. Delete old videos, unused apps, or large files to free up any storage. From here, go ahead and back out of your settings and open up the App Store and tap on your profile up in the top right and select Update All within this app section here. This is just going to make sure all of your apps are compatible with iOS 26. After doing that, back out and go back into your settings and go back into general here. And what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down and you're going to see this background app refresh option right here. Go ahead and turn this off temporarily to reduce lag. Or if you're noticing you're only really getting lag in specific apps, go ahead and turn it off for specific apps. Now from here, go ahead and do a force restart on your phone by pressing volume up, then volume down, and then holding that side button until that Apple logo does appear. I'm not going to do this because it's going to end my screen recording, but after that Apple logo does appear, go ahead and let go of it, and this is going to refresh that system without deleting any data. Now, if your issues do still continue after doing all of those previous steps, go ahead and hit settings, and this time go back into general. And scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see transfer or reset iPhone. Go ahead and select reset down at the bottom and hit reset all settings. Just don't worry, this is not going to get rid of any photos, videos, or apps. It's just going to reset your system settings. Just keep in mind though, after major updates, iPhones re-index data such as photos, files, and music. And this is going to cause pretty bad lag and battery drain for a few days to a week. It's normal. Also, I recommend checking for future updates like iOS 26.1, which often include bug fixes, but that is really everything that you can do to make sure your phone runs smoother again. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.